Monday. Couldn't talk anybody into working Saturday, but that's probably okay because it did rain and snow, so it was kind of greasy and nasty. So I went ahead and picked up the hydrants and stuff and brought them to the shop so we can get them put together in the heat with the vise. I'm going to grab that truck and take it today because it's supposed to start raining about noon and rain and mix the rest of the day, and then possibility for a little bit of snow and rain tomorrow. So we're probably going to drag the Mini home because it's got a squeaky water pump, and we need to get that fixed. So, and that truck has a leaking valve cover that needs fixed. I got my air compressor. Probably can't even see me. I got my air compressor for the red truck. It's in the shop. I can put that on, and I don't know what else. Okay, we just wrapped up another episode of Matt talks to somebody on the phone that he can't understand about screwed up Sam's registration. So yeah, we still don't have that done because the website, it's not on the freaking website. And she said it should be. So she's called somebody else. I don't know, maybe next week we'll get this 5-minute job figured out. I've been working on it since the 27th of December, so. We have finally made it. We had to jumpstart the old girl this morning. She'd turn over, but she just quite didn't have enough to fire. So I wonder if I just take this down here, and I don't bet that's not even running. We would just use this for a little bit before we hook up. Down here and get going. I was gonna push those miles down last weekend, but it was just slimy or all get out in here. I didn't do it. So anyways, we got rain coming and 1 or 2. They're switching to snow. We're gonna get that Mini hauled out of here, get a new water pump put on it, whatnot. Say yeah, we'll get going here. Fired up this morning. Ooh, we're gonna have the window closed today. It is cold out there. Got my bibbies on. Old bibs. And we go ahead and take a couple buckets out of here. I don't even know where the water line's at or anything. Like Dad's done most of the digging for me. Woo! We're going to try to get a few of these knocked out before it starts raining. We got rain and snow coming in about 40 minutes. So we decided to not do another one. We're gonna take this back. It's gonna get a water pump. We're gonna work in the shop here in the next few days. He's getting that. Red truck's coming back. We got air compressor for it. Yeah, well, yeah, we're gonna work in the shop. So we're gonna head back, get this stuff unloaded. See what Brandon's doing. What's that green thing in there for?
I don't know.
Okay. 10-4. You ready for about 3 or 4 shop days?
No.
Yes, you are. You love it, don't you?
I'll probably show up whenever I show up.
That would be not really different than any other day. Getting her cleaned out. Put one load of dirt on there and it would look just the same. Smells like cigarettes. I wish they'd make an air freshener. Cigarette air freshener. I would buy every single one of them they had. I love it so much. Alright, let's get this off here without killing each other. Tracks are muddy. There's a little bit slick. I think we got her what? Better make sure my blade's all the way up back there. Oh yeah. Don't tell me to use my feet. There ain't no room to use your feet in these machines. Couple rain days and find out what is squeaky. Thought maybe it's a water pump, but it hasn't. I mean, it doesn't heat up or nothing, so I don't know what it is. I'll find out. That's a nice place right there. Is there anybody in there that can open a door, you think? No? Nobody. Nobody can. There's nobody in that shop. Nobody. Okay? You'd think I'd be used to this by now, wouldn't you? Somebody in there, they just didn't want to open the door apparently. Okay. Boom down. Let's get in there. Let's get some throttle going, bud. Throttle going. get this finished pulled in here and keep the what? No. What, cat's man here? Man, it's business? Oh yes, sir. Huh. Gotta be what that is. Bet you there's a cat turd in there. I better shut that off. Goodbye. Let's pull this up just a little more. Get her tucked in here so she don't get full of snow and ice. And then we can work on her. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Don't you just stay right there. Yeah, it's a pretty nice piece here. Oh, I need to work on that other truck too. I don't know if I can get it in here or not. I could probably nose it in here, but it's not gonna be as good. Oh well, this is the main thing we want to get fixed right now anyways, because we do not want that air compressor coming apart. Maybe we'll get to use this in the spring a little bit. Alright, it's starting to rain. News was right on the money. Okay, well, I did all this for nothing. Now we're going to take it into the shop anyway, so see if I can get it wiggled out of here. Have a tight fit where I parked the blue truck. Oh yeah, purring like a kitten. It's turned into a winter wonderland out here while we were in the shop. Got everything pulled in, and we're gonna start on that truck in the morning, I think. Yeah, should be interesting. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna see if I can make my way home. Roads look kind of slick. Yeah, I hate this time of year. Hate it. Get that snow plow out. Make a little money later, maybe. Oh wow, it's Tuesday. It snowed all night long. We're on our way in. Start working on that dump truck. This stuff is wet too. We might have to dig snowplow out. I hope not. I hope the sun. It's supposed to snow. Excuse me. More hours. I hate snow. I hate it so bad. What a day, what a day. Man, I can't go to work. The sign just told me the highway that our shop's on's closed. How am I going to get to work? Guess I'm going to have to break the law. So, you missed it. I slowed down to come into town, and everything on top of my roof went onto my windshield. And this snow is incredibly wet and heavy. And it stopped my wipers from working. So I had a little moment of panic there, but we got pulled over and got the windshield cleaned off. Let's see what we got today. Nathan come? No, he's not here yet, but that don't mean nothing. It took me 15 extra minutes to get to work today, so. Man, I don't want to get that snowplow out. We might have to get the snowplow out, boys. Because it's supposed to snow all day. How easy is it gonna be to get the snowplow out? Let's see. Oh, it's got 2 pallets in front of it. That's not bad. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that right off the bat if we can get the forklift running. So yeah, let's get that going. And jeez, what a day. Alrighty, we got that stuff moved. It was very interesting. You guys should have seen it. And now we're gonna see. My brother is here. I didn't know if he's gonna come or not. He cut his finger yesterday. It was pretty nasty looking. Of course, nobody give him no sympathy. It told him to suck it up. It was bleeding pretty good. Filleted him open a little bit. All right, let's see what we can do here. Don't hit that post. Okay. Now, so we'll get right in here. Try to line up. We'll get close and then we'll go take a peek. See how we're looking. Move over this Reno. Let's see where we're at. I need to move over out right here, hopefully. That's too much. I don't know. It's kind of hoping he'd come help me get lined up. That'll probably do it. Got her rammed in there, buddy. Got a ramathorn. Not quite in there. I'm not gonna run into nothing. Use this to grab that. Need to go a little more. I'll check back here. There we go. Remember how this works. Remember how this works. Yes. Like that. Over to another one. Then we'll grab the electrical connections. I don't even think we even used this last year. Alright, let's get the plug in. We'll be ready to go. Remember pushing the snow last year. That's good. Yes, sir. works. About got it.
Huh?
About got it. See if it works. Lights work. Work? Oh, plugs in right down here, don't it? We got it. Go. Everything's hooked up. Sweet. We'll try that. Think she'll work. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I need a little tripod or something. I don't think you're gonna sit there very well. Trying not to delete all our gravel. I don't know how good a job I'm probably doing, but don't look bad. First pass. Very minimal amounts of gravel. That ain't too bad. Start taking some of it over here. Right over there where the old Chevy used to be parked. It'll fall down. It's deep in some spots. Close to my truck here. Definitely should have brought our skid steer back. What I'm doing, I went down to manual 1 there for a second. Definitely should have brought our skid steer back.